Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutigo Foodies. Today we are going to make multigrain biscuits. These biscuits are gluten-free. They are made with oats, ragi, sorghum and amaranth flour. They are very easy to make and they require very simple and basic ingredients. And the best thing is, you can swap these flours with any other grain or millet flours of your choice as well. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll add some softened butter in a medium-sized bowl. If you like, you can replace this with ghee. Now we'll add 1/4 cup jaggery powder. And using a whisker, hand blender or a spoon, we'll give it a good mix till it's nicely combined. We'll keep this mixture aside and in another bowl, we'll add 1/2 cup oat flour. You can easily make this at home. Just add some oats in a blender and blend it into a really fine powder. We'll also add ragi flour, amaranth flour, and sorghum flour. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 2 tablespoons flaxseed powder. Flaxseed powder is very easy to make at home. All you need to do is add some flax seeds in a blender and grind it really fine. Now using a spoon, mix it really well. Now add in the butter and jaggery mixture. Along with vanilla extract. Now using your hand, mix it really well. Add in 1/3 cup water and continue mixing to form a dough. The dough is ready. We'll take half of the dough and give it a cylindrical shape like this. Using a knife, we'll cut this into equal-sized biscuits. And now we'll just smoothen out the edges. Also at this stage, make sure to preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 10 to 15 minutes. Take these crumbs, mix them with the remaining dough and make more biscuits. Now we'll transfer these biscuits on a parchment paper lined baking tray. and let's bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for around 35 to 40 minutes. The multigrain biscuits are ready. Let them cool completely before storing them in an airtight container. I love to have these biscuits with my chai. I like the fact that they can be easily made at home with using simple ingredients. And the best thing is, these flours can be easily replaced with any other grain or millet flours of your choice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So do try these multigrain biscuits and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating, and I'll see you next time.